Manoj. He's going to talk about how an organization will helps to build a nation. Yes, Manoj.
Thank you. Assalamu alaikum, good evening, namaste to everyone.
Yes.
How are all listeners? I welcome all listeners of Sultanate of Oman and across the globe. Here, your IT group M Square, Manoj, on the air in 99.9 FM, that was Matsasur. Today, I'm going to talk about a very interesting and chill story about an organization which played a vital role, an important role for the growth of building of and establishing of a great nation called the Sultanate of Oman. I'm very happy you all listeners are stay tuned the radio at 6 a.m. though you guys are ready for your office, but I appreciate that you guys still have a strong love and affection for my soul. Yes, today I'm going to talk about a very interesting and real story. An IT company which has been started by an entrepreneur, a business tycoon, and a big owner of a big business house, His Excellency Mohammad Zubair. You might imagine just 40 years before, nobody think about IT. How an IT can revolutionize the entire country, the government organization and the private organization. But His Excellency Mohammad Zubair, he thought just 4 decades before the growth of the age of this nation and the age of this company called Oasis Infotech, the official name Oman Computer Services. His Excellency Mohammad Zubair, he has so much patriotism in his behavior, in his nature, that he formed this company by the name of Oman Computer Services. This company has played a very important role for the development of the country, who are in government and private sector majorly. As of now, close to 45% of the government sector using the Oasis Infotech solutions in their day-to-day life to run their business. And close to 25% of corporate organizations using the Oasis Infotech solution to run the business. As you know, IT is the core of entire business. Nowadays, nobody can think about IT. It plays everybody's life, from kids to big people, small, everyone. Oasis Infotech is a company, has 4 major pillars, or you can call 4 major tiers. This tier called departments, 4 major departments. One is infrastructure department. This department takes care of entire hardware requirement of the entire government, enterprise, corporate customers, server, storage, network. Network also 2 types, active, passive, then PC, laptop, desktop, blah, blah, blah. On the hardware part, that is called infrastructure. Second is a software department who take care of the entire ERP. Nowadays, everything, entire business is run in form of processing, business process, which is called enterprise resource planning, or you can call it CRM. Here, the software can be designed, made as per the requirement of the customer. The third is the IT support. This department takes care of all the turnkey project of the company. Here we have close to 52 to 60 engineers of different domains who implement the solution as per the scope of the requirement of enterprise, corporate, customer or government customer. And last but not the least is services department. This department is help to run the show of any of the companies. This is called services department. You can call engineering services, FMS, Facility Management Services, IMS, Infra Management Services, and AMC, Annual Maintenance Support Services. This is supporting the spare parts and all. This is about OCS Infotech. They play a vital role and working as a nerves of the country for the development and growth of the country, government and private sector. Thank you to all the listeners. Please stay tuned to 99.9 FM Toastmaster. Next week, same time, same day. Don't miss out. Thank you. Any questions?
So you talk about the backbone of IT.
Yes.
Can you tell what is the contribution of IT in GDP?
I'll tell you the Oman market size of IT market size. It is $450 million market. In that 450, close to 250 million is IT in hardware infrastructure, and 80K is the services, and 90 or 95,000 million is the software market. This is the segregation of the market of Oman as of now. But this year, the government has recently released the budget. But this year, it is very tough to predict the market of IT of this year. But this is the last year market size is this, and it is growing every year by speed of 5%. And I will tell you one interesting fact: Oman market is 10% of Saudi market. And if you take all the GCC market, IT market, Oman pays 5% market share in IT infrastructure, end-to-end solutions. And everything is into that. Yes.
The idea was to speak about the company and the goodwill creation of this company in Oman market.
Yeah.
I think highlighting couple of important key projects that OCS has done in last 30 or 40 years would have added to. Otherwise, it was quite an abstract
No, I
speech.
gave that. You've not heard that answer. I told that OCS contribute 45% of the customers are from government sector. So if 45% means major customers are government and 25% is corporate. So this is my answer in that question what you asked.
This is still not the answer.
There is, there is
The
n
question
number
that I
of projects.
asked,
Your Oman Aviation, this project is run by OCS.
Exactly.
These things are all
Exactly. This.
So-
Please listen to the question first.
Yeah.
What was the question? In case if you want to project the goodwill of your company, highlighting key 1, 2, or 3 projects which really has helped the economy, would have really put your company at a very goodwill. Otherwise, it's like a normal business talk that any company salesman would come and promote the product that the company sells.
Thanks. And I'm just telling 3 projects, major projects. One is Oman Aviation and one is ROP e-visa project is made small. Very soon you going through e-visa and Dhofar municipality on all the land, everything will be through satellite. So from your mobile phone you can find out your place, and especially the Omanis, they can purchase the land and all the things. No need to go to the government office for registration. Through that mobile you can go and register it and purchase can be done. So these are the few projects and few more are coming up on the way. Yes, please.
You mentioned the general characteristics of your IT company, but
Yes.
that is similar to any other IT company.
Yes.
So what is unique about Oman Computer Services, which the other IT companies doesn't have?
Oman Computer Services is diversified into all the areas, all the sectors: banking, telecom, government, electricity, oil and gas. It is diversified, and we have a strong expertise who can address each and every sectors as per the requirement and as per the keeping in the mind core business of their things and give the solution to them. This is.
Yeah, see, your talk was
Yeah.
about an organization
Yeah.
which helps to build a nation.
Yeah.
Now, as OCS, over a 10-year horizon, how do you think, or what kind of projects will be into So in a 10-year horizon, you could build up the nation.
Yes, this is very good question. OCS is planning into space. Oman very soon going to send a satellite on space, and that thing is going to be in very initial stage. But once this thing is in final, the OCS is the company who is playing an important role in that to manage the satellite on the space. So this is the major thing. It is on the pipeline still. 10 years we are talking about, so it is in this stage. Yes.
You're talking about the country in connection with your OC, your company. Do we have any life-changing experience because of your company, some benefit? Those kind of presentation could have been added value. Do you have some
Life-changing
experience because of your product or your service? Or
lot of life-changing experience happened in OCS whenever we took a major projects. Oman is market is very different market than other country market. Oman is very, here the company who is major into industry is not that much in deep. So any of the project comes, it is like on air. So you have to understand and help of other expertise from other parts of the world. You have to understand the product and you have to settle down that product as per the requirement of the customer. So always each and every project like Oman Aviation, Oman doesn't have many airports. And every airports are in initial stage. It's not to make plan and all the things to make their customer, which other customer going to become, which type of customer, what would the billing system, what would the customer, all the things is initial. So we always be dependent on another country or other expertise to take care of this type of project. And these are always the risky things. If maybe in their country, their place it is successful, but maybe in Oman it not. So we have to take the chance every time. So these are the always life-changing or life-turning or business-changing things happen. But anyway, whenever you want to grow in your life, you have to take very tricky project, new project, which make you give different direction to your company, and get success, you get a great encouragement from the management side. Please, thank you.